In this video, we will be showing you the anatomy of a bird and a mammal.
Warning, graphic content. This poor creature has been killed by a cat, unfortunately. A mammal and a bird is that they have feathers and wings. A mole has 5 digits on its hand here, and a bird has 3, 2, and 4 digits on their feet. Mammals have teeth and a nose, and birds have a beak with nostrils on their beak. The problem with young juvenile birds is that their feathers come off easily. That's why you can't taxiderm them with a scalpel. It's opening. So the old skin has now came off of the sternum. Can't really see it because hands are in the way.
This piece here.
Yeah, that piece there is part of the sternum. Bet you're glad you're not here because this absolutely stinks. This bird is a juvenile starling. I looked up the anatomy of the bird. Feathers off. So we've basically taken all her feathers off.
Skin.
And skin, yeah. Now it's just only got feathers on the wings.
What's this bit?
That part is the neck. So
What's this?
part of the neck. So
Windpipe.
yeah, the windpipe. And is compared to the brain right there is big because it powers the wings. Beneath that big muscle is the rib cage that protects all the organs inside. Birds have special adapted lungs and special adapted air lungs, like this here. Liver, gizzard and stomach, the intestines where it chomps up all of your food, and the anus where your poop comes out. Now getting the eyeball out. This mole was part of our last video that we said we were going to dissect. The bird isn't as such wrecked, but it is taken apart. See on a mole is the skin is much thicker. I ordered a tiger rub. If you look at this here, it has loads of muscles, lots and lots. Look at that massive chest muscle. That is because they have to dig through lots and lots of earth. And birds rely on their eyes. That's why they have big bouldering eyes. And their ears. That's why they have massive, big ears. Rely on their nose because they don't really have eyes. And their ears so they can hear. And their whiskers so they can just feed themselves. The diaphragm, that makes us hiccup. Birds have beaks to catch their prey. Moles have extremely sharp carnivorous teeth. Anatomy are very similar to our heart, liver, stomach,
intestine,
and the rest of the mushy stuff is intestines. Back there.
It's a kidney.
Is a kidney. Bye-bye.
Both have hearts, livers, stomachs, intestines. Thank you for watching.